In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy an Amazon gift card and then have it sent to someone's email. So here's how you would do it. So first, you want to go to amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your account. And then we can look for the gift card section. Now it might be on your homepage. If it isn't on your homepage though, you can go to all, then scroll down and go to programs and features, click see all, and then you can see here you've got gift cards. Just go ahead and click on that. Then you can go to all gift cards, and here you'll see the selection of gift cards that are available. Now you can shop for different occasions and different style of cards, but they essentially all do the same thing. So choose on any card. Now if you choose on any of these standard cards, you can customize what the card looks like, the message on the card, and also the amount as well. So first I'm going to just choose celebration as the occasion, but you can choose any of these and it will give you different cards. I'm going to then change to the dazzling fireworks card, and then for the custom amount I'm just going to enter in $5. You can use one of these presets here and you can send up to $2,000. Then choose a delivery email or a delivery text message. This is how your recipient will receive it, so I'm just going to enter in an email here. So now I've entered in my email address, we can now go ahead and enter in a custom message if we want, and then tell them who has actually sent it, which in this case is me, Bradley. You can then choose a delivery date. I'm just going to send it right now, and then once you've customized all of this, you can then add it to your cart. If you are logged into Amazon, you can just check out with any debit or credit card that you've got on file. So once you've proceeded to your checkout, you will see your debit cards here. You can then go ahead and obviously pay for it. I'm just going to make that transaction now. Okay, so now we have added that payment method. You can now see you get a preview of your message and just your whole order. You can then go ahead and place your order, and it says estimated delivery in under 1 hour. And there you go, the order was now placed. So that's all you've got to do. I hope that video was informative.